Today we are making a delicious dragon fruit mocktail because sometimes you are craving a cocktail, but you don't want to have it boozy. My name is Aliena and welcome to my kitchen. So the first thing that we are going to do for our mocktail is rim our glass. This, as always, is completely optional. So to rim my glass, you can either use agave. I have some delicious honey here from the farmer's market, and I am just going to put it all around the rim of my glass before dipping it in my coconut flakes. We can now start adding the rest of our ingredients to our blender. As this is a dragon fruit mocktail, you can't forget your dragon fruit. I'm using red dragon fruit today because it adds such a great color to this drink. You can use fresh or frozen. I just find it's easier to find in the frozen section, and it's also a little bit more cost effective. Next, I'm going to be adding in the juice of 1 lime to add a little citrusy element. And I also have 2 ounces of coconut water, as well as 2 ounces or 4 tablespoons of coconut cream. I really like the Thai Kitchen brand of coconut cream because I don't know if you can see it inside it, but it's a really nice thick coconut cream, and this is what makes our drink super nice and creamy. And you can either use agave or simple syrup. I'm using simple syrup today, and to make this I just took 1 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar and let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes until the sugar completely dissolved. Then I let it hit room temperature, and then I just keep this in my fridge and use it for my cocktails and my mocktails because it does last a few weeks if you keep this in your fridge. And I'm adding in 1.5 ounces of my simple syrup. And now it's time to blend it all together. And I am just going to fill my glass with crushed ice. And I like to top my mocktail with just a few pieces of frozen dragon fruit as well, just because it makes it look really pretty, and it's a snack. But now it's my favorite part of any video, it's getting to taste it. This drink is so tasty. It's a little bit tart but super refreshing, and I love knowing that this is full of healthy, nutritious ingredients. And I want to say a special thank you to the Social Sipper who I got this recipe from. It's absolutely delicious. You guys should definitely check her out. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Cheers!